nigga.
Oh man, somebody just hit me.
Oh shit.
Yo.
Alright.
Gotta go.
Go ahead.
Bye.
Go ahead.
Mother. Take off on a lunch. Who you got your money on?
One day.
Whoever makes the Maria sign wins.
I want to say the Nissan's going to be faster than the BMW, but I'm going to say it's the BMW.
Oh no. Got a green light over there.
They're not lined up right. One's ahead of the other one.
He's giving him the lead because he knows he's going to put him up. Although that boy should be giving him hella muffler right. He should be going.
Don't you fucking do that shit. Look at him.
Go! Look at him! Go! Oh!
Is it working live?
Whoa! He can't go back over the hump.
Oh!
Oh!
Live.
Oh!
Live.
That's going on YouTube.
Is it working live?
Oh!
Is it working live?
Oh! I told you.
Is it live?
I told you.
Is it
I
working
told y'all
live?
ninjas. I told y'all ninjas.
And where is he?
The BMW.
Where is he?
Won. He's
Nowhere to be found.
He up there. He up.
What are you doing? You fucking bitch! No, Joey, we're in the way. And there's no snow tires on this thing. Do not follow them.
Oh my gosh. Jesus Christ.
A little slower that shaped us and created what you call an animal for all seasons. What happened? Yeah, so another thing
What the fuck?
Cohn says the media's greatest bias goes largely unnoticed. It's a bias toward the center.
I would say that when you ask reporters about their biases, they will generally say to you, look, I'm busy weeding out bias of the left and bias of the right. You won't find those biases in my reporting. And then my question is always, well, what are you doing about weeding out bias of the center? And reporters usually say, bias of the center? What the hell is that? And frankly, most reporters believe that if they're centrists, if they're not rightists and they're not leftists, but they're centrists, then they have no bias. And the argument that FAIR has been making, and it's hitting home, a lot of reporters are looking at themselves for the first time in a new light. If you believe in centrism, if you are someone who believes that the center is right, is correct, then you are someone who basically supports the status quo, although perhaps with moderate tinkering or moderate change. And what we ask reporters to do is acknowledge your bias and make sure in your so-called objective news that you have points of view from right, left, and center. And unfortunately,